So before we dive into actual form, let's walk through the key data points required for background verification. So each of these fields plays a critical role in validating a candidate's identity, education, and employment history. So in personal details or IDs, like this section consolidates your personal identifiers and it ensures consistency across all the documents to avoid delays in verification. So starts with your full name, contact number, and email ID. So these are your primary identifiers and will be used for all communication during the verification process. So providing both of your current and permanent addresses. So this helps verify your place of residence, and it is very essential for address verification checks. So for the IDs, so enter your government issued ID numbers. So Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, and the passport if available. So these documents are used to confirm your identity and citizenship. So list your all educational qualification, including degree name, institution, year of passing, and percentage. So these details will be cross-verified with the issuing institution. Attach mark sheet or certification for verification here. And about the previous employers, so mention your past employers, including company name, designation, and duration of the employment. So this will help validating your professional experience. So mention your date of joining, date of exit, and reason for leaving for each previous employers. So this will help HR assess your career transitions. Now comes the references. So here you can provide the names and contact details of your previous HRs or colleagues who can vouch for your work ethic and conduct. So this reference may be contacted during the verification process. Bank details. So enter the bank account where your salary will be credited. So including account number and IFC code. So this will ensure the smooth payroll setup of the process. So repeat your salary bank account details here for confirmation. So accuracy here ensures the timely salary disbursement. PF and UN number. So provide your PF and UN number. So these are used to link your provident fund contribution and benefits with your current employment. So now that you know what information is required for BGV, so here is the actual BGV form template. So this structured format helps HR teams collect, verify, and document all the necessary details efficiently. So you will see the clearly labeled section for personal information here. So employment history, education references, and statutory details like PF and bank information. So each field is designed to support a specific verification step. So once you've filled out the form, review it carefully for accuracy. Submit it, and along with that, if there is a required document is there, so you can also attach it. And a complete and accurate BGV form ensures a smooth onboarding experience. For more such details, please follow us.